Hey there. This morning we are going to make this give thanks design here for a t-shirt or a greeting card or whatever you want to do. It's just a real simple design um, that you can list in your Etsy shop as just the PNG file for people to download and print their own shirts, their own greeting cards, use it however they want, or you can use it for your print on demand shop or whatever. All right, I just wanted to show you real quick. This is a super simple design, but it is one that always sells very well at this time of year. Okay, so this right here is just a mock-up I made of it in Recraft. All right, I thought the serving Thanksgiving dinner was really good with the give thanks design. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into uh, Canva, all right, and we are using all completely free elements in this design, all right. So you see I have it done here. Um, what I did is I created a new design that is 14 inches by 14 inches. Okay, typical t-shirt size is something like 14 by 18, but I know this is going to be a relatively short design as far as height goes, so I didn't need the 18 inches long. All right, and I'm gonna zoom in just a little, all right, just so we can see it a little better. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go into elements and we're going to scroll down to frames, and we are going to just use the letters that Canva has available. Again, if you do not like the font frames that Canva has, you can certainly create your own. We do have a video showing how you can do that, but I actually think for this design these basic block letters look really nice. So I am just putting the word thanks in here, and I'm just trying to make sure all my letters are the same size right away. Okay, let me select all of them, resize them down a little bit to make room for my S. Put that in there. All right, and now that I have them all on here, I'm going to go to tidy up, make sure they're all the same distance apart, but that S is going to move a little closer just because it looks kind of wonky when it is actually spaced the way it should be. All right, so now we have all of our letters here, and I'm just going to make them pretty big to fit the width of my 14-inch canvas here. All right, now we're going to go back to elements, and we're going to type in fall background. Okay, and I am going to go into my filters and I'm going to select free. Okay, and let's look at the graphics. Okay, and these are the three I chose right here. Three different fall themed backgrounds right there. Now you can scroll down through and pick whichever ones you want, but for the purpose of this video I am going to use this green here. I'm going to drop that in on my H, and I am also going to drop that in on my N. Okay, actually, yep. And then I am going to use the orange, and I'm going to drop that in on my H, and then on my K, and then the brown we're going to take in and put it on the A and the S. And there you go. You really have most of the design completed already. I gave my letters just a little bit of a border. I did 5 on each letter. and we will go back and change the color of this border in just a minute. Here we're doing the 5. Oops. 5. And let's do 5 on this one. That's not 5. Okay. Now let's go change these colors. And I'm going to use this gold. And I'm going to use that on all of them. So we're just going to pick and just select the gold for each one of these letters, just to give it a little bit of contrast. All right, now we have that. And now we're going to go to text, and let's add a heading. Let's move that up here. And we are going to search for free. And we are also going to go into our handwriting fonts, okay? And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to write give in here. And now we can scroll down through and decide what font we want. I am using Brittany. You can absolutely use a different font if you would like. And now I'm just deciding where to put it, and I think that looks really good right there. And that is as easy as it can get. This is done. That's it. Then you just save this as a transparent PNG, transparent background. If you have a free account and you can't download transparent background, we'll just do this quick. We'll download it as a regular PNG. Thanks, BG. And now we will go to remove BG. Okay. Remove background, upload image. And there is your image, and you can download it. I didn't log in for an account, so you definitely would want to download it in HD. But what I would do now if I needed to is I would upscale this in my designs. But I'm going to go back here, and what I am going to do is, now if you do have a pro account, which it's worth every penny, so if you're not sure, I have a link below where you can get a 30-day free trial of a pro account. Give it a try. I mean, it's worth it. Now this says 2000 by 2000 here, and I just make this, I move it up to 5000 by 5000, transparent PNG, download. Okay, and give thanks 5K. Now what I normally do is take it into my designs. Let's upload this file. Okay, let's select it. Let's look at this. All right, see, it says 5000 by 5000, 357 pixels per inch. That is a really good size, and it's nice and crisp. So now all I will do is take this into the canvas, and I'm going to make my canvas 4500 by 4500, center, fit horizontal, and make sure PNG is selected over here. Do not click background, hit apply. Now you don't have to bring it in here and resize it. You could absolutely sell it as a 5,000 by 5,357 pixels per inch image. There's nothing wrong with that. I just changed mine to 4,500, 300 pixels per inch, and now you can download it and add it to your Etsy shop or whatever. The reason I like my designs is because while I'm in here, I can go to image mockups and I can choose I can do mockups right here in my designs. There's one. Take that. And you can make multiple mockups. You just click up here at the top, multi mockup, and you can scroll through and you can choose more mockups. And you can change the color of the picture. You can do the heather colors. You know, it's completely up to you. Let's go down here and do a flat lay. How about with this one? I'm going to do a heather on that. So you have this there, and you can come down and you can pick as many different mock-up styles as you want. I think just about good here. Let's see what this looks like quick. There you go. And once you have the mock-ups selected that you want to use, how about this, another flat lay here. Okay, and now you can just click generate mock-ups and it will create your mock-ups for you. It should only take a second or two to do this. Okay, and now we have all our mock-ups done. Just click on these. You see what they look like, and now you can download these files and you have your listings ready for Etsy, your listing images, and you can just upload and it's ready to go. You can also publish from my designs. That will be another video. We'll do it a later time, but that is how quick and easy this super fun Thanksgiving themed PNG file is to make. Make one. Let me see what you do. I'd love to see your take on this design. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I really hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.